Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. As I promised, I am making video on interview series and I have already uploaded more than 16-17 videos related to that. And on my YouTube channel, there are more than 12-13 videos on group discussion series also. And related to personality development and soft skill, more than 100 videos are there. Don't forget to watch all those videos for your complete knowledge, information, exposure. First of all, subscribe my channel because subscription is necessary, mandatory to get notification, and you will be getting all those videos whenever I will be uploading any video related to that particular series, all the three series, and any other video whosoever or whichever is related to my YouTube channel or my Apeksha group of institutions. Okay. So related to that, the fifth question, which is very important, all over the world, almost all organization will go through all those questions which I told you in the very beginning. That 7 question. The very first question, there are 3 questions. Then other than that, 4 questions are there. The very first question, again I will repeat. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about your family background. Tell me something about yourself, not as per your resume. All these 3 questions are one question, 1A, 1B, 1C. Then second question, why should we hire you? Third question, where do you see yourself after 5 years? Then fourth question, what are your salary expectation? And this is the fifth one. What are your greatest weaknesses? What are your greatest weaknesses? They are not asking strength. What are your strength? They have already asked this under the why should we hire you. That was strength part. And this is the weakness part. And the trick is very simple. Your strength is your weakness. Because whenever they are asking this question, they wanted to know first of all how these weaknesses will be fruitful for that particular institutions and organization. How these weaknesses will be fruitful for their company. How these weaknesses will help their company to carry forward your weakness part. So this is not weakness. Actually, this is not weakness. This is your strength. So whatever you told under why should we hire you, under the hard strength part, the same thing you are supposed to repeat here under the weakness part. Yes, not only from the soft strength part, only one thing, that is team player. Team player, that is minimum requirement. You are supposed to love working in team. That is very important. So how you will answer this? Sir, as I told in the very second question, when you ask me why should we hire you, my first strength is actually my weakness is my strength. Like this, you're supposed to answer. I don't have any such weaknesses with me, but definitely my strength is my weakness, and my weakness, the very first weakness, as in the very first, result oriented. If I am a result oriented person, definitely I am expecting from the same everyone in the organization and institutions, everybody should show the result. Employer or whosoever manager is taking interview, they will be very happy because everybody, especially in the private organization, everybody is working for profit. In the government organization, people are not working for profit. Very few government organizations are making profit. Say for example, out of 242 PSUs, public sector undertaking, starting with IOC, GAIL, BAIL, SAIL, IPCL, BPCL, HPCL, like this, there are Maharatna or Navratna company. Hardly 20 companies are making profit, or 30 companies are making profit out of 242. Rest are like this only. This is the style of government working. Very simple. So that is not the government organization. Private organization works for profit, 100% profit every time. Always remember. And they want for that type of profit, tough person, rough and tough person. And rough and tough person means hard strength. The hard strength means result oriented, the very first quality. Second quality, 24 into 7 into 365 days. I want this is my weakness, in the sense this is my strength. If I am ready to work 24 into 7, 365 days, I am expecting same from all my colleagues, co-workers. They are also supposed to work like this. They will be very happy. Employer will be very happy. That particular manager, whosoever is taking your interview, will be very happy, my dear. Then ready to relocate. Those who are ready to relocate, my dear, I am relocate. Why I am popular among the employers all over India and outside this country? Only because of this quality. I am very near to almost wherever I work very near to all employer, all chairmen. They used to tell me, your Ferrari, your BMW, your Mercedes, like this comment used to come. Because I always worked on these. Know more than other, work more than other, expect less than other. That was my three fundamental mantras. That was that is why I was very much successful. That is why I am very much successful. 10 lakhs students, executives, managers, people know me in this country only because of these qualities. And the fourth one, ready to relocate. I'm expecting same from the same also. Same colleague, same co-worker, they are supposed to be ready to relocate anywhere in the universe. Whenever any such demands comes, a situation comes. Then unsupervised. Unsupervised, I told you all very frankly, honesty with integrity. There is no need of any supervision by any bosses. You take ownership of leadership. Very simple. Self-discipline, self-motivated person. Why there is need of supervision? That is unsupervised. And last but not the least, you are a perfectionist. As I told, you are able to do any work with restlessness and with speed and accuracy. You can also say under weakness, but I am too fast. I'm expecting same from the same. Say for example, you're driving at the speed of 90 km per hour, 100 km per hour, 120. But everybody cannot compete with you. But you are expecting the same. That is wrong actually. So you are supposed to take into consideration and keep up. Means cope up with that particular situation, present situation, train the people, make them at par with you, and then expect the same from everything. So your weaknesses are your strength actually. Okay. Then comes team player. Then comes proactiveness. There are several qualities, but these 5 qualities, actually this is not your weakness, this is your strength. So whatever they are asking, that is they are asking actually strength part again, in other words. And you're supposed to answer like this again. You can add here 10 points, 15 points if you think there are another point, another weakness for you, that is actually strength, and how it will be fruitful for the company, for that particular organization and institutions. So these are the simple answers which you're supposed to answer in any interview. Answer like that, apply that, and you see the result. Then give me in the comment box as a feedback, compliment and comment what you have observed, how you got selected. I want also feedback, my feedback in my comment in the description box, so that I will be able to know whether I am on the right track or not. Okay, I am also supposed to know. For last 23 years I am doing this. Several students got selected in most of the big companies. From them I got the nice feedback. I want feedback from you all also, because the very first time I am making video, online video for last 6 months only. Not before that I was making, because I was giving only offline workshop all over India. I have already given my classes program workshop in more than 300 cities, 20 states in India, 20 countries people also. So this is my simple achievement. Author of 13 books, which is available on Amazon. If you can afford, buy that book. Otherwise, enjoy my video. Very simple. Thank you so much. May God bless you and happy beginning. But don't forget to subscribe my channel for your notification. Thanks.